Imagine a car that cleans itself, protects itself, and warns you before things go wrong. That's exactly where this lineup lands. 15 gadgets, all on Amazon. This is GEARHOUND, I'm Marcus. I dig through hundreds of car gadgets every week, and only the ones that actually earn their spot make it here. Today's lineup, 15 finds that'll upgrade your ride without burning your wallet, from safety gear to smart tech to stuff that just makes daily driving less painful. Links in the description if you want to grab any. Hit subscribe, let's get into it. Ever look down at your passenger seat and realize it's basically a landfill? Chip crumbs, sand, dog hair, receipts you don't remember getting, and something in the corner that used to be food. Every driver's been there. Out of every car vacuum I scanned this month, this one climbed straight to the top and stayed there. Meet the Saker 6 and 120,000 pascals of suction and a brushless motor that doesn't quit halfway through the job. But here's the twist. This thing isn't just a vacuum. It also blows debris out of tight vents, inflates tires with a digital pressure preset, and hides a window breaker plus seatbelt cutter. Right in the handle. Point it, trigger it, watch the mess vanish in real time. One tool, 6 jobs, 0 cords. Your car finally looks like someone drives it, not lives in it. And when a real emergency hits, the same tool that just cleaned your floor mat might get you out of the car. Ever pull up next to a car with animated lights running across the hood like liquid electricity and think, okay, that person understands the assignment? Yeah. Meanwhile, most modding kits on Amazon are landfill bait, bad glue, dead LEDs after a month, wiring diagrams written in bad translation. This one earned its spot the honest way. It's a 70-inch sequential LED strip, dual color, white daytime running light on the outside, amber turn signal that flows across the hood like water when you flick the blinker. IP68 waterproof, so rain, snow, car wash, none of it kills the party. Cuttable to any hood size, from a Miata to an F-150. Peel it, stick it, wire it into the DRL circuit. 20 minutes with a YouTube tab open, and you're done. Your car goes from stock to statement in one afternoon, costs less than a night out, turns heads for way longer. Hold up, wait until you see number 7. That one's a different level. Ever pull over on a hot afternoon to check a tire that looks kinda low and realize you have no gauge, no pump, and no actual plan, just hope the next gas station has a working air pump that doesn't eat quarters? That's a bad Tuesday for anyone. This one made the cut fast. Cordless tire inflator with a 180 psi ceiling, dual digital display, ±1 psi accuracy, not the sketchy ±5 the cheap ones lie about. Set your target pressure, hit start. Walks away 3 times faster than the gas station pump. Then auto stops the second it hits the number. And when the tire's done, surprise, the same unit doubles as a USB-C power bank for your phone. Car tires, bike tires, motorcycles, sports balls, air mattresses, small enough for the glove box, powerful enough to actually finish the job. Runs the whole show without a single outlet in sight. Every trunk should have one, yours doesn't yet. Ever park somewhere sketchy at night, half-lit lot, sirens 2 blocks away, that gut feeling that your car might not be here in the morning and just hope? Yeah, hope is not a security strategy. It's the strategy of someone who didn't have one. This one's boring on purpose, just does its job. The JETMORE steering wheel, lock-hardened steel body, tamper-resistant bolts, fully adjustable to fit any wheel from a compact hatchback to a 5th-wheel pickup. No batteries to die. No app to update. No sorry, the cloud service is down error at 2 a.m. You clamp it on, you walk away. Anyone thinking about your car sees this thing and picks the easier target 3 cars over, because thieves don't fight, they shop. Old school, brutal, effective. Doesn't stop a determined pro with an angle grinder, nothing does, but it stops the 90% of thefts that are opportunistic. Sometimes the smartest tech in the lineup is the one from 1985. Ever change lanes on the freeway, glance up at the rear view, and see something appear that definitely wasn't there half a second ago? That gut drop, that little jolt of, oh no, every driver knows it, it's the moment your factory mirror failed you. This one solved a problem I didn't even know had a solution. The HmmtyRack 14-inch panoramic mirror, chrome-plated, anti-glare coating that kills the tunnel lamp effect from headlights behind you, clips right over your existing mirror. No tools, no drilling, no adhesive residue. You get triple the field of view instantly, the whole rear window, plus a chunk of both sides your factory mirror was hiding from you. Headlights at night stop feeling like interrogation lamps because the coating diffuses the beam. Kids in the back seat, all visible without turning your head. One clip, 60 seconds. 20 years of blind spots gone. Nothing else in the video is this cheap for this much safety gain. Ever start merging onto the freeway and hear that horn, the long, angry one that says, "You almost killed me and my whole family"? Yeah. Blind spots are ruthless, and every car has them no matter what the brochure said. These little ones caught my eye instantly on the marketplace. The JOYTUTUS 2-pack frameless HD convex glass, 360-degree rotation on a ball joint, sticks on with actual automotive-grade adhesive that survives 100-degree summers and car washes. Set your angle, press it flat, 2 seconds per side, that's the install. Costs less than a large pizza, fixes the exact thing insurance companies charge you thousands for after one bad merge. Real quick, drop it in the comments. Would you rather spend 20 bucks on something that works reliably for a year, or 200 on something that promises to last forever and rarely does? Tell me which camp you're in. Okay, halfway through the lineup, the one coming up next is honestly the standout of the whole video. Every long hauler and RV driver has that one nightmare running in the background. You're cruising at 70, hauling 10,000 pounds of trailer, and one tire lets go without warning. The whole rig starts fishtailing. Sometimes people die. Worth solving. Out of all the TPMS systems I dug through this year, and it was a lot, this one earned the top spot the honest way. The Tymate TM2. 4 external sensors that thread onto your valve stems in about a minute each. Solar charging on the display so you never think about batteries. Color LCD showing every tire's pressure and temperature in real time. 6 alarm modes for high pressure, low pressure, fast leak, slow leak, high temp, and sensor failure, so you know what's wrong before it becomes a disaster. Twist the sensors on. Mount the display. That's the install. Now every mile before a blowout, you get warned. Costs less than a single tow bill. Might save your rig, your trailer, and everyone driving behind you. Ever hit hour 4 of a road trip with kids in the back and realize the entire car sounds like a zoo at feeding time? Snacks flying, tablets sliding off laps, juice boxes tipping, someone crying for reasons no one including them can explain. Every parent has been in that specific version of hell. This one flat out fixes it. The Qlhshop backseat tray table folds flat when not in use so it doesn't hog space, expands into a full working surface with a built-in cup holder and a rotating tablet mount that fits phones, iPads, and everything in between. Straps to the front headrest with adjustable buckles. No tools, no drilling, fits basically any car. Kids eat, kids draw, kids watch, everyone stops yelling. Front seat suddenly feels like a spa. It doesn't fix parenting, nothing does. But it buys you 2 peaceful hours on a long drive, and honestly, that alone is worth double the price tag. Ever spill coffee grounds across your desk and think, well, I live with this now? Or find crumbs deep inside your keyboard that objectively predate the pandemic? Or vacuum your car with a full-size shop vac that weighs more than the mess? This one keeps popping back to the top of my list. The COMVIX 4-in-1 mini vacuum, 20,000 pascals of suction, 3 power modes for delicate to industrial, doubles as a blower for keyboard vents, and a low-pressure tire inflator when you need it. Weighs 1.2 pounds. Fits comfortably in one hand for long sessions without wrist fatigue. Washable HEPA filter with 99.99% dust capture, which matters if you or someone in your house has allergies. USB-C charging, full in about 2.5 hours from empty. One touch bin, empty over the trash. Works on car interiors, desks, keyboards, camera gear, pet crates. Small enough that you actually reach for it, powerful enough that it earns permanent shelf space. Ever been stuck in gridlock in the middle of July with a baby crying in the back seat because your AC can barely push cold air past the front row? Or a dog panting in a crate that's basically in the sun? Yeah, that's a special kind of stress that turns a 20-minute drive into an hour of misery for everyone. This one caught my eye because it actually solves the problem instead of pretending to. The XUenair Car Fan, rechargeable lithium battery, multiple mount points that clip onto the sun visor, seat back, roof handle, or tent pole. 360-degree rotation on a smooth swivel, quiet enough that a sleeping kid stays asleep. Snap it wherever the heat is worst. Hit the button. Cool moving air lands exactly where the AC can't reach the back seat, the car seat, the crate, the tent, the workshop. Simple little gadget. Massive quality of life upgrade. The kind of thing you buy once and quietly wonder how you got through last summer without it. Ever glance at your tires before driving off and think those look fine, knowing full well you have zero actual information? Every driver does this. It's the automotive version of hoping. These almost got skipped when I first saw them, looked too basic. Then I looked closer at what they actually do. The tire pressure monitor caps 4-pack. No batteries, no app, no sensors, no software updates, just physics doing physics. Green means safe, yellow means getting low, red means fix it now before you're rebuilding a rim on the shoulder. Set your PSI range once when you install them and screw them onto your valve stems in place of the factory caps. That's the whole install, 30 seconds per tire. Instant, silent monitoring you can check with one glance during any walk around. Costs less than a fast food meal. Might save you from a highway blowout, a bent rim, or worse. If anyone tells you these are too simple to matter, ask them how their $300 TPMS is doing today. Ever come out of the grocery store on a rainy Saturday and see a broken mirror housing dangling off some poor person's car by a single wire? Now imagine that's yours, plus $400 to $600 for the replacement, plus a week without your car in the shop, plus the deductible fight with insurance. This one earned its spot the honest way. ProKevLock side mirror covers UHMWPE cut-resistant fabric on the outside, 304 stainless steel mesh in the middle layer, and a locking security cable that threads through the mirror mount. Slide them over both mirrors. Cinch the lock, done in about a minute per side. Now the mirror survives bird bombs that would otherwise etch the paint, ice storms that crack the housing, curious hands at car shows, and the occasional guy walking through the parking lot with a box cutter looking for an easy score. 2 mirrors fully protected for less than the cost of a single replacement. Simple math, smart move. Ever try to wire up trailer lights on a rental U-Haul or a borrowed boat trailer and realize the connector on the trailer doesn't fit anything on your truck? Or worse, one wire on the old harness is corroded and now nothing works at all? Congratulations, you're about to spend an hour on a gravel shoulder with electrical tape, a multimeter, and a prayer. This one flat out ends that entire nightmare. The Polieez wireless magnetic trailer light kit. No wiring, no adapters, no plugs, just powerful rare earth magnets that snap onto any metal trailer surface in seconds. 2.4 gigahertz wireless signal from your truck up to 100 feet with no dropouts. IP67 waterproof rating handles rain, road spray, and river launch boat ramps. 9-hour battery on a single USB charge. More than enough for a full day of hauling. Slap them on. Sync them once to the transmitter in the truck. Drive. Almost done with the lineup. Save your strongest wow for the last one coming up. Trust me on this one. Ever get into someone's 2024 car with a giant floating touchscreen wireless CarPlay, voice control, 4K backup camera, the works, and then get back into your 2015 sedan with the tiny factory radio and feel like a caveman who just discovered fire? Real talk, this one might be the single biggest transformation in the entire lineup. The IIWEY 7 10-inch wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 4K dash cam that records every drive with loop overwrite and impact detection, 10 80p backup camera that mounts to your license plate, voice commands, split screen so navigation and music run side by side, suction mounts to your dash, powers off the cigarette lighter, no professional install required. 15 minutes with the manual open and you're done, zero special tools. Your 2015 car suddenly outfeatures the 2024 next to it at the light, a tiny fraction of a factory upgrade price. Nothing else on Amazon closes the old car to new car gap this dramatically. That's the whole pitch. Every driver eventually has that moment key turned. Nothing happens. Cold empty parking lot, phone battery on 4%, no jumper cables, no friendly stranger, no cell signal. Maybe it's late, maybe raining, maybe your kid is in the back seat. This is the gadget that ends that moment forever. In every car you own, for every family member you care about. The AUXITO 6000 amp jump starter enough raw current to fire up every gas engine on the road and diesels up to 12 liters, which covers heavy-duty trucks too. LED display shows exact battery percentage, cable status, and any fault before you connect. 3-mode flashlight built-in steady, strobe, and SOS. Full storage case included. Clip red to positive, black to ground, hit the button. 10 seconds later, your engine is alive. Your dad needs one, your kid needs one, you need one. That's the lineup. 15 finds, honest picks, no filler. Drop your favorite number in the comments, hit subscribe. New lineup drops soon.